Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.
Welcome to Added Solutions. So my name is Vasavi. I am a political science lecturer. Today I am going to discuss with you about civics first year unit 5 political ideologies. Let us discuss. What are the important questions from this? From this the important questions are: write an essay on basic ideas of Gandhism. What are those? They are introduction of Gandhism. This is the 10 marks question it comprises. So please give the priority for this answer. Basic ideas of Gandhism. Gandhiji was born in Gujarat at Porubandar on 2nd October 1869. He was a famous leader. He had used great weapons, non-violence and satyagraha to against the British rule in India. He was called as Mahatma by Rabindranath Tagore, a famous writer. So, what are the basic ideas of Gandhism? Basic ideas of Gandhism, first one is the metaphysical idealism. Gandhiji's metaphysical idealism is a combination of basic ideas of non-violence, ethics, Vedanta, spiritual, all those. So he had maintained metaphysical Gandhism, metaphysical idealism. It is the combination of moral values based on ethics, spiritual, Vedanta. Next one is the ethical absolution. Ethical absolution is captured from Rita. Rita was a great spiritual divine. So moral values and ethical values are superior according to Gandhiji's. Moral values and spiritual values are superior to the men in the society. Those ethical absolution can rule men and gods. The third important one is the doctrine of non-violence. Non-violence means not to kill, not to harm. It is a great weapon used by Gandhiji against the Britishers in the society. He had used, because of the reasons, exact, organized and civil disobedience and foreign invasions. Because of British rule in India, Gandhiji had used non-violence as a great weapon in the society. He had used non-violence not to kill, not to harm. A person, an individual can show his non-violent method, way in the society towards human. Next, Satyagraha. Satyagraha is a great weapon used by Gandhiji. Satyagraha. It was a famous method, unique method used by Gandhiji against Britishers in our India. A Satyagrahi could maintain all the methods. Satyagrahi, an individual who follows Satyagraha is known as Satyagrahi. Satyagrahi, Satyagraha means not to lie, not to lie, truth, truthfulness, always maintain real. And Satyagraha means not to lie, a Satyagrahi, not to eat more which is sufficient he eats on, not to steal anything from others, not to exceed his limits, observe the method which is important for him. This all comes under the Satyagraha. Principles of Satyagraha, all these considered. Forms of Satyagraha. Which are the forms for Satyagraha? Hartal, Hizarat and hunger strike. All these comes under forms of Satyagraha. So all they are the methods used by Gandhiji to maintain the rule against Britishers, to maintain the movement against Britishers. This is known as Gandhism, basic ideas of Gandhism. Next question is forms of Satyagraha. Forms are, this is a question of 2 marks, very short answer type questions. Forms of Satyagraha. Form nothing but in which method have they followed Satyagraha. Satyagraha is known as a great civil disobedience movement in the India against British rule. First one is civil disobedience. People, individual in the society, in the nation, exact maintained civil disobedience. And next one is non-cooperation. Indian maintained non-cooperation, no cooperation towards the British rule in the India, as known as non-cooperation. Third one is hunger strike, hunger strike. Fourth one, hartal, no person maintained administration followed by Britishers in India. And Tijarat, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 comes under forms of Satyagraha. Next one is the Sarvodaya. Sarvodaya meaning trusteeship. Question is trusteeship, 2 marks. It is also known as Sarvodaya. Sarvodaya meaning Ramarajyam. Ramarajyam. People who earns in the society, they treat their industries and wealth, can treat as trusteeship. Sarvodaya. Individual, whatever they earn, their properties they can treat as Sarvodaya, but they have to keep whatever they need. Remaining they should give to the needy people is known as Sarvodaya, trusteeship, known as Ramarajyam. Individual can earn, they can keep it themselves. Remaining leftover can be distributed among the poor people who are in need. That is known as trusteeship. Thank you.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.